Hello, friends. Good morning, you all. Respected President of Dharampet Education Society, Nagpur, Advocate Ullas Aurangabadkar sir, Vice President Advocate Sanjeev Deshpande sir, and Secretary Shri Ratnakar K. Katpure sir. The Principal, Dharampet Empidev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, Dr. Akhilesh Peshwe, Vice Principal, Dr. Mrs. Archana Kulkarni, and all the staff members of the college. All the guest speakers, Dr. Vivek Nanoti, Dr. Rosina Rana, Dr. Amishi Arora, Dr. Nitin Vigne, Dr. Shishir Palsapure, Dr. Yogesh Deshpande, Dr. Suresh Jadhav, Mr. Gajanan Khanande, Mr. Prashant Vauge, Mr. Mohan Hardas, Mrs. Vibha Jadhav, Mrs. Rashmi Vauge, and Mrs. Vijaya Bhakte, who are associated with us on this platform from different streams and profession. My friends, supporters, founder members, and pillars of this online platform, Botany for You, Dr. Nishikant Vase, Dr. Nitin Labhane, Dr. Tushar Wankhede, and Dr. Deepak Koche, who are playing pivotal role with me in establishment of this online platform. All my dear friends of life sciences joined with us on Telegram group, Botany for You, faculty members from all over India and well-wishers. Myself, Dr. Pitambar Humne, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Botany, Dharampet Empidev Memorial Science College, Nagpur, welcomes you all to this new online platform, Botany for You, for the students of life sciences. It is a matter of great pride for me to introduce this platform in front of you. Since many years, I was thinking for some common platform for the students of life sciences. But because of busy routine schedule, I was unable to shape it properly. Actually, COVID-19 lockdown brings this opportunity for me to do some concrete work on this. First of all, I started to chalk out the plan for the execution of this platform. And as its first step on 7th May 2020, I have started YouTube channel Botany for You. The neurons were running and working every second to establish this thought of online platform into reality. This insists me to discuss this idea of online platform with my friends and well-wishers. And I received a great support from all of them. On continuous working, planning, sharing, communication, finally I succeed to organize this workshop with great and overwhelming response from all over the India. Today, we have more than 5,000 registrations on Google Form and around 4,000 participants are joined on the Telegram group in this workshop. To organize this workshop is the second step to establish this online platform Botany for You. And I am hopeful and confident that this will function as online open access classroom for the students of life sciences. The aim of the Botany for You is to bring the students of life sciences all the parts of the country on a common platform along with the teachers, so that the maximum number of students can take the benefit of the knowledge and skills of faculty members all over the nation. Keeping this in view, the Telegram group is created which will be functional forever for the students of life sciences. In future, this platform always will provide the quality services in the subject. Right from BSc Part 1 to research and job opportunities. We will try to cover the topics from first year of undergraduate to the postgraduate and also the topics in CSIR UGC NET as well as slate examinations organized by respective state governments in the series. We will also put our continuous and best efforts to provide the guidance regarding the selection of postgraduate and career options in life sciences as well as through competitive examinations. In addition to this, the guidance will be provided with respect to research areas in life sciences in India and abroad, with the details about fellowship, projects funded by the central government, state government, and other universities abroad. On initial level, we will provide the lectures through the links and pre-recorded form. But in coming future, our aim is to provide the live sessions on various topics in career opportunities and personality development. And also the classroom teaching from renowned faculties from various universities all over the nation. As per the aim and objective behind the establishment of this online platform for the students of life sciences, it is not possible to provide the every information regarding the career opportunities and personality development in these 3 days of this workshop. Hence, most of the lectures organized in this workshop will be provided in series. Some of the parts will be covered in these 3 days of workshop, while rest of the topics will be provided in upcoming lectures. Every time you will be informed regarding upcoming events well in advance so that you can take a benefit of every lecture on the group Botany for You. On first day of this workshop, we have included the opportunities in life sciences from local to global, educational and career. On second day, we will provide the lecture on career opportunities through competitive examinations. And on the last and third day, the lectures will be on personality development for grabbing opportunities in life, in higher education and career. Today, on first day of the workshop, we have organized 5 lectures that includes the first lecture by Dr. Tushar Wankhede, Associate Professor, Shri Shivaji Science College, Amravati, Maharashtra, on postgraduate opportunities in life sciences. The second lecture will be delivered by Dr. Deepak Koche, Associate Professor, Shri Shivaji College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Akola, Maharashtra, on research opportunities in life sciences. The third lecture will be provided by Dr. Nitin Labhane, Associate Professor, Bhavans College, Andheri West, Mumbai, Maharashtra, and ex-postdoctoral research scientist, BRS, Hungarian Academy of Sciences, on career opportunities in life sciences in India. The fourth lecture will be delivered by Dr. Nishikant Vasesar, Senior Scientist, Biomolecular Analysis Facility, the School of Medicine, University of Virginia Medical, Charlottesville, Virginia, US, on abroad career opportunities in life sciences. The last one and fifth lecture will be delivered by Mrs. Vijaya Bhakte, Director and Founder of Canvas Clinical Research Institute Private Limited, Nagpur, on career opportunities in clinical research. One more thing I would like to share with you. Soon we are launching our own website www.botanyforyou.com, through which activities for online platform will be extended. The registration will be given to the faculties in life sciences interested to join this online platform Botany for You. All the details regarding the membership will be soon available on our website. After completion of this 3 days workshop, we will organize small test based on lectures organized in this workshop. Also, the feedback form will be shared with the participants, and at the end of the workshop, the online certificates will be provided. Even after the completion of this workshop, the group will remain functional forever for the students of life sciences. I request you all to remain associated with this group for the benefit of the students in life sciences for better tomorrow. If you will have any questions regarding any lecture, you will be directed to post it through your feedback. The answers will be provided in next and upcoming sessions of these lectures. Thank you very much you all for your interest in participation in this workshop. Please enjoy the session provided through the links of lectures as per the schedule. Once again, thanks a lot to each and everyone. Thank you very much.